Hello friends, how are you? Today share in this video how to make money online without investment at refer earning. Only refer earning, how to make money online earning without investment, only refer earning. Okay, so friends, let's play this video and let's start it. Okay, so friends, let's play this video. So type HANDY handy pick. Okay, handy pick refer income now today and big offer. Okay, so let's first install this application and this download 1 million download, size 63 MB, ratings 34K. Okay, and this application install application. Please wait and skip this video. This application install and skip this video. I no longer this video. Okay, skip this video and now install. And this application download and then install, and this application ratings very good. This bring stunning moment. Your application ideal triumphs. Enter your refer code and get 10 handy. I wanna see. Enter your refer code and get 10 handy free. Okay. This refer code and free handy. Okay. Use referring and free handy. Okay. Only refer earning based application without investment. So friends, first install and open this video and update I do not show again. Close and me account registration now. Okay, me icon and confirm registration and to login. You have already account and this email and password login. You have not account, switch on Google account or start Facebook account and Catocult account. Okay, so easily account open. Start with Google account and start with Facebook account. Okay, so friends, my account already registered, my account already open it. Okay, my handy and refer and per refer 10 handy bonus. Okay, so friends, refer me account me and handy, click handy and setting version website anything 0 handy point, my point and my handy 0. Okay, handy training point 1000 point handy 1000 point handy. Okay, and refer and earning. Okay, your refer code, my refer code and joining game and play game, refer code and see. Okay, create your gets coin profile, male female, username, birthday, anything and refer code everything. Please careful. Okay, so this video and end now. Enter your earning. So let's stop this video and goodbye. Thank you for watching.